If a jet is flying at supersonic speed and a bird somehow strikes the canopy, could the glass hold up? Fighter canopies are built tough. They're designed to withstand the impact of birds weighing up to around 4 pounds. But once you hit supersonic speeds, it's not just about the bird's weight anymore. It's about the massive kinetic energy involved. At Mach 1, even a small bird would slam into the canopy with the force of a heavy artillery shell. The result? The canopy would almost certainly shatter, putting the pilot's life in serious danger.